Tea tree oil and Pekoe orange tea or blas ck tea. Tea tree for cleaning and treatment of the nasal. Insert the Q-type in the tea tree oil bottle on both ends. Then insert the Q-type into nose and or nasal area. Swab the areas to clean or for treatment for sinus infections. You can also use tea tree oil treatment for ERs. Same recommends dosage instructions. Don't go too far in the nasal or ERs. Just enough to treatment these symptoms. Area. Tea tree oil is used for all kinds of remedies for fungus, STDs, skin infections, yeast infections, irritations and much more. Pekoe orange blas ck tea or blas ck tea for sinus infections. Pekoe orange blas ck tea or blas ck tea. Open 1/2 pa ck agi tea bag into the 8 ounces 32 ounces hot, cold water and or icy cold water. Let's it or brew for 5-10 minutes. You can drink the raw tea after sitting or brewing. You can use a tea strainer or strain when using the raw tea from the tea bags when the tea is dye strain from the tea water. Pekoe orange blas ck tea or blas ck tea can be used for sinus infections, pneumonia, respiratory heart and stroke and much more. Enjoy these health helpers.